Hi, Andrea King here. And Raina, I am just going to speak directly to you because that is the best way that I can tell you how you have improved my life with Rayning Wellness and just being you. Uh, Attending your workshops has been wonderful. I always learn something new, I always have a great takeaway. And being able to have conversations with you and you bringing in your education and health and wellness and just really being able to help direct really direct me in directing myself as to how to find the best route for me when it comes to my health and wellness. Your advice is always fantastic, and honestly I have felt more confident about helping myself since I've been attending your workshops and working with you, and for that I thank you.